What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. As you might know, I bought a new car. Well, new to me at least. And bought a Porsche. Well, the poor man's Porsche, a Porsche Cayman. Yet, it still is a Porsche. And I wanted to make a nice video outside, but maybe you can hear it, maybe you can't, but it is kinda raining. So that's why I am filming in the car right now. I have the car now for almost a week. It's been my 6th day of ownership of this car, and I wanted to make a first impressions video of the car. Well, just to kind of clarify, I don't have that many cars to compare this one to. Why is that? I always owned older cars. By older I mean 20 plus years. So comparing it to them, that's not really fair for either of them. There isn't even a comparison possible. I drove a few newer cars from my company, but those are company cars. They're not meant to be sporty or anything. So the sportiest I driven was an Audi TT, which also isn't really a comparison. But yeah, that said, drives great. The car drives great. Really loving it. Miles per gallon is pretty okay for what you get. I can't complain about that. The car came with a set of valves in the exhaust, an aftermarket exhaust with valves. I like it. It works really good. Always starts up valve open. In some cases you don't really want that. It is what it is right now. I don't mind. Maybe neighbors will mind, but well, as soon as it started, I can close the valves off, so they're happy too. Valves open, it isn't too loud, especially inside of the cab. You can't really hear the exhaust, so that's what I really like. I put about 800 miles on the counter right now in 6 days. So I've been driving it here and there, driving it to and from work, actually driving it everywhere I go. I haven't really used the other car. There are some things in the cars I can't quite figure out what they are, like in the center console. I know this is for a cigarette lighter, or you can plug in a GPS if you want to, like I do. But I have no clue what this is for, so if anyone knows, please let me know down in the comment section below. What I also like is these trays in the doors. They are really spacious. I just put some sunglasses there, but they're very spacious. They're on both sides. Trunk. I really love a frunk. Yeah, that's what I like the most about the car. That's actually the frunk. I've always found it very cool to have legged space in the front, and well, I'm really in love with that. And I would actually show you all of this if it wasn't raining. So that kind of bothers me. It's a 6-cylinder boxer engine. Nice sound, really nice sound. This is the 2009 model. That's why it's still a 6-cylinder and not the newer 4 cylinders. Really nice sound. NA engine. You cannot beat the sound of that. No turbos, no nothing. Just an open valve. NA 6-cylinder. Also, I'm still kind of getting used to the shifting from what I'm used to in my Golf. It's really different. I used to start pulling it out of gear before my clutch was fully down, and in this car I noticed the transmission doesn't really like it, so that's one thing I'm still getting used to. I hope I get used to it before I screw the transmission up, because I think that could be something that gets a little bit expensive. What I'm noticing, either it's because of me or not, when starting you have to put the clutch down, and sometimes it says I don't put the clutch down, but then when I use my right foot it works. So I think in my left foot I'm maybe not able to push it fully down to get the sensor engaged. Might be that's something that will need to be checked. Maybe put a new sensor in already, only having the car for 6 days, so we'll see what time tells. And well, that's about it for in here, I guess. Screw the rain. There's a car. There's well, the new one. I chose it in black. The only thing I don't like about it being black is you can see a lot of dirt on the car. I chose black. Why? I want to wrap the car, so black car is easier to wrap for the person who's doing it, so that's why I'm gone black. And well, just in general, a black car always looks nice. So well, while I'm out here in the rain, let me show you the front. So as you can see, I have a pack of water in there. It's really spacious. It's really deep. I think you can fit a lot in there. And well, how cool is it standing here to be filling up your car with luggage, with groceries, with, well, anything you want, as long as it's not too big or else it won't fit. You have a small storage space in the back. That's the aftermarket exhaust. I am not sure about the brand, I don't know, I can look it up, but there you can see it's a valved exhaust. Sounds really good. I of course like the way it looks, like the way it stands. I just cleaned it up just because yeah, I told you, it gets dirty very quick. It's a black car. Beats really nice, so that means the paint was very looked after. Big brakes, good brakes, standard brakes, I think. I do not know too much about this car yet. Well, I did my research before buying, but I haven't yet worked on it. That's why I also like about this car. You can still work on it yourself, and that's kind of why I bought it. It's a nice sporty car, which is newer, and you can work on yourself, and that's what I'm also going to do. I really want a new pair of wheels for this summer, so that's still a few months to go. I'm looking into it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. Probably a wheel with not too many spokes or a pretty closed wheel. Let me know down in the comments what you think for wheel choice would be a good choice to do. Get some good tires and stuff, and then I probably will be looking into wrapping the car. But guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to come at you, show the car. Well, the back is a little flat, I think. This wing, it needs a bit of a wing. But yeah, like I said, I don't want to be making this video too long. These are my first impressions, and I really love the car. I like driving it. Every time I start it, it puts a smile on my face just because of the rumble. Well, actually I have a key to lock and unlock the car from the key. I never had that, always had to put my key in the doors. So also that I like very much. Yeah guys, let me know what you think. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like. drop that comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to follow along with the project and, well, see me dive into numbers and working on the car and all of that. So hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out.